Jai Bhim friends, I am Rajendra Kumar, founder General Secretary of SCST Employer Reservation of Andhra Bank. I worked as a DGM also in Andhra Bank. Recently, I am retired. Friends, there was a organization before I formed the SCST Employees Welfare Association of Andhra Bank. There were two organizations since 1984. In the beginning, one organization filed case against the management for backlogs from clerical to officers. Then other organization formed stating that the leaders were sold to the management. Anyhow, second organizations is the majority for several years. Then I would like to tell everyone, including EAB members, including E Corporation Bank members, and our beloved members of E Union Bank and all the Union Bank, at present all the Union Bank SCST employees and officers. Friends, generally management would like to mold the leaders. How they will mold? Just they will give some promotions, they will give some transfers as per the choice of the leaders. Generally leaders have, I think everybody in the world definitely have nepotism. Nepotism means relatives, friends and other things choose and helping our own family members, relatives and friends. It will happen to everyone, leaders. The management, what they will do it, they will, whatever the leaders ask, promotions for themselves or their friends or their family members, relatives. They will immediately give, they will listen to the friends, the leaders. The leader go there, he is my very close relative or my close friend, you have to give him promotion. Management will give it. Then the leader will be bowled. Otherwise, the leader will go and they will tell, these 4 transfers are very important for me. They should be retained there or they should be transferred to somewhere else. You tell, if it is close to you, we will do it. That is the tactics of management. These people will go, these are the important for me, sir. And they will do it. Later on, they cannot fight against the management because they ask something. I will tell you one example of my own association general secretary. He asked about his son's own promotion, posting and everything. Then he could not ask anything. He could not ask anything in the management. He could not fight against the management. These things happen in every bank, not only in our bank, every bank. These are the management tactics. Same thing happened to our previous associations before we started this to SCST Welfare Association of Andhra Bank in 2008. There was association, majority association. They have molded the then leaders and he became a dictator. And there is a discrimination transfers, there is a discrimination postings, there was a discrimination in disciplinary matters everywhere. Our people, though they are talented, they were reaching all the targets, they were not given promotions. Though our people were working in the faraway places, after they are coming to their own states, again they were posted in somewhere else. These things were happening. What about our leaders? They were not questioning the management. Management is satisfying their some simple needs. They are happy with that. Then there was a revolution in the same association. They wanted to change the leadership, but generally these dictators, they won't allow other people till their retirement. There was a turmoil and later we have started this association. Within 2 months, we became majority association. See the frustration level of the people. Then after getting majority, we have claimed the majority status. Somehow management taken time and to divide us, but people are strong and ultimately they gave majority status to us. In the beginning, we have returned to the National Commission. We went to the National Commission Delhi and we told there was so much discrimination in the bank. And the National Commission chairman, he told us they will come to the Hyderabad and they will discuss with us and with the management also. We have submitted a representation stating that out of 100 managers in the Hyderabad, at that time there was only one region, you call it the region, we were calling it the zone. In the Hyderabad one GM, which was headed by GM, General Manager. 100 branches were there. Out of 100 branches, only one is our member. That is me. Only SST manager. That is due to my, I think, godfather. He recommended and a bad branch is given to me. We have written that. Out of 100, only one manager. Out of 500 people working in the head office at Hyderabad, that the EIB head office is Hyderabad. Out of 500 people who are working in Andhra Bank head office, only one officer is there, one sub-staff is there. We have written that. There is, out of so many people in the working in the Visakhapatnam, no SST manager. Out of so many people working in the Vijayawada, no SST people. Like that, statistics we have given. Similarly, we have given the statistics. There are some branches like Laimora in Orissa, Donkarai in East Godavari, and some other branch, Medapi in Guntur. Some branches we have mentioned. These branches were allotted to SST people because they are very remote places. There were no bus facilities, only one bus will go there, and LCD facilities were so not there. Always, for the last 25 years, only SST branch managers and staff also. We have written so many statistics. Though our people are working hard, though they were reaching all the targets, they were not given promotion. We have given the statistics. Our people, they will go up to scale 3 because Minister of Finance will observe up to scale 3. Scale 3 onwards, something or otherwise, one charge sheet, one explanation, they will not be given promotion. This is the tactics. Up to scale 3, all seniors are SCST only. Our percentage is only 22.5, 15 plus 7.5. But top 100, 90 people are from SCST. We have questioned all these things. Then the chairman and other members have come and they have submitted the representation. They have told the management, you tell the reasons for that. Management could not answer it. They could not answer it. Then they have started posting our people as a branch manager in the Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, in all the towns, Chennai, Bangalore, like that. Then they have started posting our people in all the departments of head office. They have started it. Before that, it's not there. Then disciplinary matters also. We have told the people, we have been questioning. Somebody did this much fraud, you are with only 1 or 2 increments, he escaped. But whereas our people done this thing, but you have given capital punishment. We have questioned the management. Not only that, we have started defending our own cases because we didn't believe the trade union, because the casteism is there everywhere. You know very well. Baba Saheb did so many things for us. All the labor acts, all the laws he made for us as a labor commission member in the Viceroy government. But these communists, they did not recognize. The same thing will happen to the trade union also. They won't give post to us. Okay, now I think we are fortunate that Brij Bhushan was made a General Secretary of the Delhi. But we were fighting in our trade union. We got our share in the trade union also. There was not a single director in the cooperative bank. Or we have one cooperative bank. Members are all from SST, but no director. We fought, and now the 4 directors are there. Similarly, we started educating our members. We started defending our own cases. I have defended more than 150 cases. My another friend, our Vice President, Mr. Dechenjia, the then Vice President, he defended more than 100 cases. Like that, we defended, not only defending, all are successful. Successfully, we have defended more than 90% people were punishment were very, very less or without punishment. We have saved them. And we have conducted several awareness programs to our people. Several awareness programs. Everywhere. Okay, some 3-4 regions, one awareness program. We have called our officers, don't do these things. These are the important things. We have called awareness programs. We have educated the people. We have conducted youth conventions 2 times. so that we can develop youth leaders. What we thought, yes, after retirement of Rajendra, who is there? Okay, our people, all the people, they will retire after some times. We need some next generation people. That is the reason we have developed the young generation leaders, youth leaders. That is the why now actually before merging, 50% of our leaders are from young, before 40, before 40. The same way we have conducted women conventions several times, several areas. Then women leaders, we have told the women leaders, you go, you have to mobilize people for your women convention. They have conducted themselves. We have developed the leaders, women leaders. We have vice presidents, one journal, I think, journal secretary is from lady J. Banu, previously Pavani Madam. These are, we have developed the same way we have carefully given post to all the people. No person should feel that I am discriminated. No section, no subcaste, no SC, ST. Everybody is given importance and recognition. We used to tell that we are only one. Our flag is blue. Our blood is blue. That's what we used to tell the people. Though it's hypothetical, everybody felt that we are one. We are one like that. Like that, we are maintaining it. Because of all our efforts, there were 5 GMs, around 12 DGMs at the time of merger with Union Bank of India from Andhra Bank. I don't know about Union Bank. We heard only 2 names. One is Raju Garu, KL Raju Garu. Another is Venkatesh. These 2 names. They went to CGM promotion, but they didn't get it. Whereas somebody from Andhra Bank, Mr. Bhaskar, got CGM post. And 2 circle general manager, 2 zones were headed by our people. That one is Mr. Nanjare from Amravati, one is from Hyderabad, New Delhi, Bhaskar Rao. Later he came to Hyderabad. 2 zones were headed by SCST people. These are the things we achieved from Andhra Bank. Friends, then what we definitely wanted unity. Unity is very much important. That is lacking in Andhra SCST people, entire India, not only in our bank, everywhere. Unity is lacking. Why unity is lacking? Because we won't discuss with everyone. We won't take the collective decisions. Some committee should be there. The committee should take decisions. The leader should explain to the committee and committee should take the decision. But generally, our people will become dictators. We have seen in Andhra Bank, I worked only 2 terms. Then I have given to another person. He worked only 2 terms, 1 term I think. Another person is elected. Like that, we are changing our leadership. Lifetime, we will not sit as leaders. That's what we have decided. But many banks, many areas, these people lifelong, they want to stay there. These people were managed by the management. I won't say that they are bad. But as a human tendency, we will succumb. If anybody help us, automatically we will succumb to their persons. We are like Kattappa. I think everybody has seen Bahubali. Bahubali, you might have seen it. India also it has come. There is a Kattappa there. Kattappa is obedient, most obedient to the kingdom. That is management. We are Kattappas. So many people are Kattappas. Our leaders are Kattappas. Friends, we wanted unity. We thought Corporation Bank SCST Welfare Association, Andhra Bank SCST Welfare Association and Union Bank SCST, three together, we will make a strong association, strong union, strong association. We felt like that. Our General Secretary, the then General Secretary, Mr. Vijay Kumar, spoke with our Jaiswal sir and Brij Bhushan sir. Unfortunately, I was in one meeting. Actually, everything is decided. After decision taken place, we had a combined meeting. Our leaders, Andhra Bank leaders, and only Brij Bhushan and Jaiswal from the Union Bank, some other people from the Corporation Bank. There was a Zoom meeting. Then I have asked the Jaiswal sir and Brij Bhushan sir. Our association is All India Association. It is not a state-wise association. What about your bylaws? What are the rules? As per our rules, we have to conduct general body and then only we can merge with you. And what about your guidelines? What about your bylaws? Friends, we are from democratic country. The democratic country was made by, the modern India was made by none other than our Baba Saheb. We are followers of Baba Saheb. our great Baba Sahib written the constitution. We have to follow the constitution. We have to follow the bylaws. These bylaws is very, very, very much important. But instead of telling the guidelines, instead of telling the bylaws position, Jaiswal sir became angry. Why you are asking all these things? Who will ask us? You give one letter, management will accept it. But I was a little bit hurt. I told it is not proper. We should everybody should have the bylaws. Then later, I think then Vijay Kumar, both Vijay Kumar from this Andhra Bank, that Andhra Bank, they gave letters. But many of the leaders, local executive committee leaders and local leaders, they have opposed it. They have written to the management. Later, Vijay Kumar changed his decision because any decision should be taken in the general body. Vijay Kumar or Raju Naik cannot take a decision. That is the reason later on they have conducted general body. That is different issue. But in the meanwhile, they should have waited for us. We have demanded one or two things. Every leader should know about it. Every leader of Union Bank should know about it. What we have asked is, if you have 7,000 members, that 7,000 ratio, we have more than 4,000. Okay, let us 4,000 ratio. If corporation bank is having 3,000 not, 3,000 ratio, 70, 40 or 30 ratio, that should be the executive committee. Wherever we are having majority, that is corporation bank is having majority in Bangalore, let them have leadership in the Bangalore. Only for 1 year or 2 years. Because after merger of some 2-3 years, then automatically will become only one organization. But till that time, they are all leaders. We are leaders. Definitely our members will not accept. If not leadership is not accepted, they feel that they are orphans. They will definitely feel about it. That is the reason we told we need leadership. Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Orissa, we are the majority members. The leadership should be given to the Andhra Bank. But somehow, I don't know what happened between Vijay Kumar's and Jaiswal sir and this thing. I was told, Jaiswal sir didn't accept it. First he told, you give the letter, you first join in our organization, later we will think about it. First you join, you will be ordinary members, then next time you can contest it. That is dangerous because we are maintaining one organization, very successfully maintaining one organization. Suddenly, if you say that we are all ordinary members in the other organizations, our followers, our members will not accept it. We should be given leadership in our 4 states. Same way, we should be given central leadership also, some leadership. But somehow it's denied. Not only it is denied by the DO. DO means Jaiswal sir and Brijbhushan sir. This is absolutely wrong, which is done by the Union Bank Association. There should be collective leadership, at least minimum 10 people or 20 people. There should be collective leadership. There was a dictatorship. These 2 people, they have denied all these things. They have started dividing our people. Among our association, our president or somewhere lewd and started dividing it. We didn't accept it. We cannot accept this dividing politics. You have to unite. If somebody is dividing, there's a elder brother, you have to add everyone, each and every association you have to add it. You are having 7,000 people. But whereas Union Bank of India, membership is 15,000. We are having 5,900, we are having only 4,000. That is okay. But ultimately, 15,000, 7,000 means if others 8,000, where is the 8,000? If 8,000 goes to other bank, other association, definitely you will be minority. Now statewide leadership. You try to divide us, Andhra Bank people, you try to divide corporation bank people. Again you wanted to divide your own state leadership. You are encouraging dissidents. That is not proper. That is not proper, my dear friends. My dear elders, elder leaders. That is not proper. We are all elders. I am retired. I don't need any post. But I want unity. I want my community. This community should rule not only bank. In entire India, our community should rule. That is what Baba Sahib dreamt. My dear friends, unity is required, but not dictatorship. Dictatorship cannot be accepted. Dividing leadership at the state level is very dangerous. My dear friends, do you know about the Congress party? Congress party always wanted to sabotage the state level leadership. They want to encourage the other dissidents. They lost Sharad Pawar. They lost Nagma. They lost Mamata Banerjee. They lost even Rajshekhar Reddy, almost Rajshekhar Reddy's son, Jagan Mohan Reddy is the CM of Andhra Pradesh. They would have Congress government in Andhra Pradesh. Like that, they have lost many states. Now Congress party is nothing. Don't discourage your own leaders. They are your pillars. They are your pillars. Don't discourage them. Encourage their leadership. Have the collective leadership. Dictatorship is not educated by Baba Saheb. Collective leadership is required. Till date I am ready. I am ready for unity. We should have the strong union. Our members should not be discriminated everywhere, anywhere. Transfers, promotions, disciplinary matters, and everywhere, postings. We should be given our due share. It is not being given in the Union Bank of India. That's what I found. Even the Raju Garu and Venkatesh, two people are there. Can't they give at least one person as the CGM last year and this year also? What association is doing? They should protest all these things. Friends, we have association as per the Minister of Finance guidelines. We have association office, we have furniture, we have computer, we have printer, we have fax, we have Xerox machine. These are all given by the bank management. Tables, chairs and everything. Bank management should provide association office in the head office itself, a central office. If they cannot give, they should pay the rent. That is the guidelines by the Minister of Finance. What our people are doing? Minister of Finance has given guidelines as per the quarterly meeting. I have attended 2 quarterly meetings. In the first quarterly meeting, they have given guidelines. All the temporary sub-staff, PTS, should be made sub-staff. Only State Bank of India done. We have fought. We have called our chairman, National Commission for Safai Karmachari. They came to our management. They have requested our management. These are very poor employees. Because of our efforts, I can say that, proudly say that in our 2 terms now, in my 2 terms, we make our temporary PTS as a full-time sub-staff. Every PTS will respect me. This is our efforts. We did like that, postings, promotions and disciplinary matters. As a unity, I cannot say single-handedly. All our people, 100 executive members, 100 the secretaries or vice presidents, whoever it may be, these people who are together, if anything happened, this 100 will come to Hyderabad. This anything happened, this 100 will go to Vizag. That is our unity. You should also make like this. We want to unity. We wanted to unity. We want to tell all the Union Bank leaders and members why we are not united. We were denied our right. They have shown this dictatorship. Whereas AIBA, they have joined. IBAC, they have joined. They have shown their maturity. Always we are showing SST people, we are not having maturity. That's we are showing it. We are dictators. We will listen. We will be in the trap of either management or trade union. Trade union will just spoil us, or management will spoil us. These two are always spoil us because we are always threat to them. We are always threat to the trade union. If we are united, your people will become a president or general secretary of the trade union. If we are united, your people will become the GMs and CGMs. This is dangerous to the management. That's why these two always divide us. Kindly look up, kindly listen, and please listen to us. Let us have unity. Now, if you are united, it's okay. Otherwise, this 4,000 from the new association, SCST Employees Welfare of Union Bank of India, these 4,000 will become 10,000, and your association will become minority. Most of the state secretaries and presidents, because they are vexed with the present leadership, they are in touch with our leaders, they will come to us, your association will become minority, just like previously. Previously the association, I think you are also having majority association previously. That is Kandiban and other people are still there in the association. That was the majority association. Later on another association became a majority. Again it may happen to you also. You follow the democratic system, democratic policies. Now also there is a time to merge our association with only one association. One more important thing I would like to tell you people. The present association is not registered. As per Minister of India guidelines, only majority status should be given to the registered association. Okay, there is no registration, that is different issue. Okay, they cannot file case against anyone, that is okay. But that association has been using the registered number of some other association, that is Federation, All India Bank Employees Federation, that is formed in the Calcutta. For all organization, for all India Bank organization. Our Andhra Bank was also a member in that organization. That Majumdar was the Secretary General at the time. And you are using that. I am having that bylaws. We are having that bylaws. Already posted in several WhatsApp groups. That number, that registered number you are using, that registered number is absolutely fraud. That is not correct on your part. Can't you register your association? Why these things? That laziness. Dear friends, we have to do so many things. Still discrimination is going on. This discrimination will go another 100 years if we are not united. Another 100 years. Another 100 years. Please remember it. Let us be united. All the people who are having guts and dare enough to fight against the management, courage to fight against the management, courage to question the management or question the leadership, come with us, join with us. We will make a very, very, very strong association. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.